So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. How can you make $2 grand a week with UberEATS? Come on, Izzy, you can do it.
This is how you can make $2K a week doing UberEATS. So,
1 second, I'll be right back.
This person's saying realistically you won't be allowed by Uber to drive enough to earn $2K a week. Unless, of course, you make enough in tips. So, this person said, I'm going to choose to read earn as net pay after expenses. Uber actually limits you to 12 consecutive hours of being online or 15 hours of mixed hours before the app takes you offline for 10 hours, essentially limiting you to 12 hours of working potential per day at 7 days a week, gives you 84 hours a week that you can work. That means you need to take home an average of $23.81 per hour. In a good area with good boosts, incentives, and decent tippers, you could have some good hours, but it would be difficult to average over... Well, I can't read the rest of this article. But basically, I'm going to assume that they go into all these, basically all the specifics and the logistics of what it takes to earn $2K a week. And it sounds like it's really hard and you're going to be driving insane hours. So it's really up to you if you want to go through all of that just to make $2K a week doing UberEATS.
I agree. And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti, and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.